Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for something sleek and modern to put your shoes in? Well, Tribesign 3-drawer shoe cabinet can solve your small space dilemma. It is so beautiful and so compact. I love that the 3 tiers just pull out nice and easily, and you have the shoes of your dreams right at your fingertips. It's easier to put your shoes on and get organized for the day when they're right there in this great organized cabinet. I love that this cabinet is not so thick. It's just the width of my forearm, and the knobs on it are so adorable and functional. Tribesign has done a wonderful job in making a beautiful product for your shoes. This 3-tier shoe cabinet is sleek, modern, and beautiful. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.